Hello! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Preferences and select it. And here, scroll down and at the bottom you should see the option called Band's Language. Tap on it and as you can see, right here we have the list of languages. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the language you would like to use on your smartband and then tap on it to select it and apply it. For example, Deutsch. And as you can see, the language changed. You can also change the language through the phone application. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with our smartband. And I'm gonna open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. Actually, let me reopen it like that. And once you open the app, you can tap on the profile icon. Here you can select your AMAZFIT Band 7 from the list. Then you can tap on Band Settings. And here you have the option called Language. You can tap on it. It will open the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use. Tap on it to select it. And then tap on OK button to save the settings. And once you save the settings, the language will change, as you can see. And we can close the app. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.